Somebody, you cut this. Pause the video. And then you get a white piece of paper. Make the pen because Pokemon is from Japan. Okay. With this, you have to fold it in half. Pause the video. And then you have to cut around this. And then you put this away. Then you can see you have made something that looks like a pokeball. But no, you may cut and then you may glue this and glue this. Then you get paper. And it looks like a Jigglypuff over there. Jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. Or it is a little thing. Jiggly, jiggly. So next, what you have to do, get your scissors and cut. Pause. You turn up with this. With your pokeball, you need to do this with it. You can glue this here. But let's see what does a pokeball look like. This is a pokeball. There's something missing. Maybe you can cut, get the slip, pause. You put this here. And you made a pokeball. But first, you have to cut all over this, like that. Then cut it on this side. Then you organize it. And perfect, you've made a pokeball. Just first, this, the last thing, you do that. Circle around it. Then you've made a perfect pokeball.